If Meccha Chameleon keeps crashing or freezing, work these in order, one of them fixes it. No reinstall and no factory reset needed. The crash is Unreal Engine's Oodle shader error, and the fastest fix is forcing DirectX 11. In Steam, right-click Meccha Chameleon, hit Properties, open the General tab, and in Launch Options, type -DX11. Altogether, that swaps the renderer that's failing on startup. Next, set the game to run with the right permissions. On the same menu, on the left, click Installed Files, then Browse. In that folder, right-click penguinhotel.exe, choose Properties, open the Compatibility tab at the top, and tick both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Hit Apply. Now repair the install. Back in Properties, open Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let it run to 100%. It replaces any corrupted file behind the crash. Then update your graphics driver to the newest stable version. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your card, and update driver. Device Manager often says you're current when you're not, so confirm on NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's own site, which is usually ahead. Next, go to the bottom right, open your system tray, right-click, and fully exit Steam. Not just minimize, and relaunch Steam so the latest game patch downloads. Recent builds already fixed several crashes and loading bugs, so running current matters. If it's still crashing, clear 2 cache layers. First, open File Explorer, go to C, Program Files 86, Steam, and delete everything inside the app cache folder. Steam rebuilds it automatically on the next launch, so it's safe. Then install the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, both the 64-bit and 32-bit versions, and reboot. Unreal needs those runtimes to start. Links in the description below. For freezing specifically, where it locks mid-match instead of closing, turn off your Steam, Discord, and graphics card overlays and close background apps since they fight Unreal's renderer. And if you're on a 13th or 14th gen Intel chip and that fatal error still hits, you'll need a motherboard BIOS update. An interrupted flash can brick the board, so once you start it, don't touch anything until it finishes. Once you do that, Meccha Chameleon boots to the menu and holds steady through a full match. No crashing, no freezing. If this helped, let me know in the comments below.